In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to reach Western Union customer support. If you need help with a transfer or account issue, here's how to get in touch. Start by opening any web browser on your device. In the search bar, type Western Union Contact and press Enter. From the results, click on the official customer service page for Western Union in the United States. Once you're on the page, you'll notice several support options available. The first option is Live Chat. By selecting this, you can connect directly with a customer support agent who can assist you in real time. The second option is Phone Support. You'll find a contact number listed on the page. Just dial it to speak with a representative. Another option is to locate a nearby agent. This allows you to find a Western Union location where you can get assistance in person. And that's all there is to it. Those are the main ways you can contact Western Union support. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.